Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore two of the most fundamental electronic components used to interface the physical world with our circuit, the light sensor and the temperature sensor. These devices are known as transducers because they convert physical properties like intensity and heat into measurable electrical signal. We will examine the specific electrical principle behind them and look at their practical application. Now let's begin with the light sensor. We have two main types, the photodiode and the light-dependent resistor or LDR. The photodiode works based on the photovoltaic effect. When light photo hits the sensor PN junction, it generates current. The brighter the light, the greater the current produced. This property makes them ideal for applications requiring high speed and precision. The LDR works on a similar principle. Its resistance decreases as light increases. This characteristic is straightforward but slower than a photodiode. The circuit shown is a simple light dissipator switch, demonstrating how this sensor can be coupled with a transistor to switch on the buzzer of an LED when light conditions change. They are commonly used in systems like automatic auto lighting. We move to the temperature sensor, specifically the thermistor. A thermistor is simply a resistor whose resistance is highly sensitive to temperature. Thermistors are categorized into two types, NTC and PTC. The NTC stands for negative temperature coefficient, meaning its resistance decreases significantly as the temperature rises. This is the most common type used for measurement. The PTC or positive temperature coefficient thermistor has a resistance that increases with temperature. While less common for precision measurement, PTC are often used as sub-resistive in fuses in circuit protection applications. The graph on the slide clearly illustrates the non-linear relationship for a typical NTC thermistor. Notice how the resistance drops sharply as the temperature increases from 0 to 7 degrees Celsius. To translate this change in resistance into a readable electrical signal, the thermistor is usually integrated into a simple voltage divider circuit. By placing the thermistor in series with a phase resistor and the voltage source, the voltage measured across the phase resistor will change proportionally with that temperature. This variable voltage signal can then be sent to an operational amplifier or an analog to digital converter to calculate the exact temperature. Hence, for these two sensor types are virtually limitless. Light sensors are found in everything from security systems and automatic doors to sophisticated camera light meters. Thermistors are crucial for temperature regulation in medical devices, industrial controls, appliances like smart thermostat and toaster, and importantly in battery management systems to monitor and prevent overheating. The primary advantage of both components is their simplicity, low cost, and ability to convert a physical change into the robust electrical signal, forming the foundation of many smart and automated systems. My overview of the principle behind light and temperature sensor. Thank you for your time and attention.